Hello guys and welcome to this video. Guys, today I will show you how you can pay Tabby installment. So guys, if you want to purchase any item online, for example from Shine, Shein or any site, if you want to pay Tabby, use Tabby installment, all you have to do, guys, the first step you should be, guys, link your credit card or debit card primary to process payment and ensure you have payment through without any issue. Once you can connect your primary or debit card, guys, on Tabby, and then your credit card to your Tabby account, this card be used for paying your installment. And two guys, ensure your linked card has enough balance before your installment, and this ensure Tabby can automatically withdraw correct amount on payment. Later Tabby will automatically deduct the installment for your linked card, guys. This is how you can get installments, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give a like and share this video for more content.